So our topic is about thermostress. So definition of thermostress. Thermostress occurs when a material is subjected to a change in temperature, but is constrained from expanding or contracting its previous. This restriction creates internal force, which is stress, within the materials, which can lead to deformation or even structural failure if the stress exceeds the material strength.
Now, let's talk about the in our simulation, this illustrates how thermal stress develops when a steel bar experiences an increase or decrease in temperature in a restricted expansion. Now, the key features of our simulation is that it has a temperature control slider, which when we increase or decrease in temperature, it shows real-time observation to determine what will happen to the steel bar at a specific temperature. And last is the stress visualization, which helps to understand the current status of the steel bar and where failure is most likely to occur. In which, if it indicates yellow, it indicates a plastic deformation. If it's blue, it indicates no permanent deformation, and if it's black, failure or a fracture is occurred. Now we can go to the simulation by clicking. This is our simulation.
Yeah, may tawag mo siya ba?
So, Ms. Mansig, can you do the simulation for us? So, to do the simulation, if you want to increase the temperature, you can press the temperature here. Decrease the temperature. You can click here to decrease it. And if you want to stop, just press it again. And if you want to increase the temperature, just press the middle button. And if you want to reset the simulation, just press the reset. And if you want to, you can manually control the slider to determine what temperature you want to have. So as you can see, if we further decrease the temperature to negative 85 degrees Celsius, like wait per minute. In that moment, the the steel bar indicates a plastic deformation since it indicates a yellow. And if do you like to try this? Like if we increase.
Ano yung yellow?
Uh, it it shows a plastic deformation to the steel bar in which it has a permanent status of the steel bar in which causes a plastic deformation. Do you have any other questions?
Again, so to you the higher temperature. What will happen if there's a higher temperature?
As you can see here, if the temperature further increases to 187 degrees Celsius, the steel bar causes to fracture, and yeah, that's it.
Do you have any question?
No.
Thank you.
You like to try our simulation.
Paano ba ito?
So basically, if you press this, it will start increasing the temperature. And if you press this one, it will start decreasing the temperature. And if you press this, the simulation will reset. Now you can try.
Just one by one.
Paano ba?
Visit. You can just reset, then stop. Decreasing. Then,
Stop?
yes. You can also manually, like, stop this. You can also manually adjust the temperature, the one temperature. Now, as you can see, if with the high temperature, you can see the steel bar break apart or it's become fractured.
Ah. So, ano yung purpose nun?
The purpose of this is to show what will happen to a steel bar if the temperature increases or decreases. And by the steel bar, I mean the steel bar when it is restricted, and by mean clamping it with the other.
Okay.
Alright, thank you.